Hello friends and viewers, my name is Gurpreet Kaur. I am your IELTS trainer. How are you? I think you are good and I am also very fine. In today's video, we are going to talk regarding the follow-ups of third cue card, that is, describe a person who you think is very open. If you want to listen to the cue card of this, then I will give the link in description box. You can listen to that and you can prepare your cue card by listening to that thing. And follow-up questions are very important in speaking test because our band score can increase or decrease by the performance of follow-up questions. If we give good answers in follow-up questions, then our band score can increase, and if we are unable to answer these questions in a particular way, in a specific way at that time, we have to face reduction in our band scores. So this is a cue card. Describe a person who you think is very open. कोई इदां दा बंदा जिहड़ा तुहानूं लगदा कि बहुत ज़्यादा ओपन है, ब्रॉड माइंडेड है, एक्सट्रोवर्ट है. Who this person is? कौन है ये? How you know this person? किवें तुसीं इहनूं जाणदे आ? Why do you think this person is very open? क्यों तुहानूं लगदा कि ये बंदा बहुत ज़्यादा ओपन है? And explain how you feel about this person. तुसीं किवें दा फील करदे आ? फॉलोअप्स ਨੂੰ ਆਪਾਂ ਦੋ ਤਰੀਕਿਆਂ ਨਾਲ ਐਕਸਪਲੇਨ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਆ. ਫਸਟ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਆ ਜਿਹਦੇ 'ਚ ਆਪਾਂ ਜਸਟ ਐਕਸਪਲੇਨ ਕਰਦੇ ਆ. ਫੋਲੋਅਪਸ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਆਪਾਂ ਨੂੰ 5 to 6 ਲਾਈਨਸ ਦਾ ਆਨਸਰ ਕੰਪਲਸਰੀ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਦੇਣਾ. ਮਿਨੀਮਮ ਆਪਾਂ ਨੇ ਇੰਨਾ ਆਨਸਰ ਦੇਣਾ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਹੈ. ਲਾਈਕ 30 to 40 ਸੈਕਿੰਡਸ ਦਾ ਆਨਸਰ ਹੋਣਾ ਚਾਹੀਦਾ ਆਪਣਾ. ਜੇ ਇੱਦਾਂ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਆਪਾਂ ਤੇ ਫਿਰ ਆਪਾਂ ਐਗਜ਼ਾਮਪਲ ਦੇ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੁੰਦੇ. ਐਗਜ਼ਾਮਪਲ ਜੇ ਆਪਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਕਿਸੇ ਵੀ ਚੀਜ਼ ਦੀ ਆਉਂਦੀ ਆ, ਕਿਸੇ ਵੀ ਕੁਐਸਚਨ ਦੀ ਆਪਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਐਗਜ਼ਾਮਪਲ ਆ ਰਹੀ ਹੈ ਤੇ ਆਪਾਂ ਐਗਜ਼ਾਮਪਲ ਦੇ ਸਕਦੇ ਹਾਂ, क्योंकि एग्जाम्पल के नाल एक्सप्रैस भी कर सकते हैं, अंडरस्टैंड भी करा सकते हैं तो लेंथ भी कंप्लीट हो जाती है. फस्ट अपने को क्वेश्चन हैगा आ, इज़ इट डिफिकल्ट फॉर इंडियन पीपल टू एक्सप्रैस देयर फीलिंग्स. इंडियन पीपल लिए औखा होंदा है उन्होंने फीलिंग्स में एक्सप्रैस करना कि नहीं. आप यस या नो दोनों के आंसर कर सकते हैं. मैं तुहानूं हुणे दसदी भी आप यस दे विच या नो दे विच किवें आंसर कर सकते हैं. इज़ इट डिफिकल्ट फॉर इंडियन पीपल टू एक्सप्रैस देयर फीलिंग्स? Yes, definitely, because I think Indian people are shy in their nature. They do not have that much of talkative nature. Whenever they have to express their emotions in front of others, they lack confidence. Therefore, they are unable to make other people understand about the things which they are going through and which are happening with them. Therefore, they sometimes feel depressed and stressed because of these things. जे आप कहने हैं no, not at all, because there are so many ways by which people not in my own country India but also in abroad can share their emotions with others. If they have lack of confidence at that time, they can express their feelings by texting to that person or by making just audio call to that person, by which they will not feel hesitated and they can express and make the other person understand regarding their feelings. And some person in my area are very confident. They can express their feeling in front of the public as well. Whenever they have to express their feeling, they are very straightforward and they express their feelings in front of that person, that they are liking that person or not. Then next question हैगा, who do you think talk more, children or grown-ups? I think both have their own minds and both have their own capabilities. Some of the children like to talk a lot, but the talks of children are always silly. They do not know what to talk in front of what kind of people, but they talk a lot. I have my niece and nephews who talk in front of me a lot. They make jokes of one another. They also tell me regarding the things which are happened in their school, by which they make me feel entertained and they always keep me busy in this thing. ਜੇ ਆਪਾਂ grown up ਬਾਰੇ ਗੱਲ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ, I think adult people like to talk more because they have a lot of topics to conversate among the other people. Like whenever I have call with my friends, at that time we talk for more than 2 hours, and we talk the things which are very silly in our life or the minor things in our life which are happening with us with one another, by which our talk lasts for so long. What do you think is the difference between boys and girls expressing their feeling? ਆਪਾਂ ਇਹ ਕਹਿ ਸਕਦੇ ਹਾਂ boys shy ਹੁੰਦੇ ਆ, sometimes girls shy ਹੁੰਦੇ ਆ। ਆਪਾਂ ਹੁਣ ਦੇਖਦੇ ਕੀ ਬੋਲਦੇ ਆ, ਦੋਨੋਂ ਬਾਰੇ ਆਪਾਂ ਆਨਸਰ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ। What do you think is the difference between boys and girls expressing their feelings? There are a lot of variations in the expression of emotions between boys and girls. Like boys sometimes have shy nature, they are unable to express, they are unable to make the other person understand about their emotions and feelings. Like whenever boys are extremely happy, they do not express this thing in front of other, and whenever they are going through any kind of difficulties, they don't want to share with anybody. Sometimes the reasons are like they don't want to bother other person, or they don't want to feel inferior in front of other, that they are unable to cope with the situations which they are facing in their life. Therefore they do not express their feelings, as compared to the girls who are very straightforward, I think so, because girls are talkative in nature. Some of the girls have shy nature, but almost more girls have the nature by which they can express their feelings very easily, either to their family members or their friends. But I am a kind of person who always feel shy while expressing my feelings in front of others. When I express my feeling in front of others, I do not disclose my sorrows and sad moment of my life with my parents and my siblings, because I feel that they will get disturbed due to this. But whenever I am happy, they are the first person with whom I share my feelings. So this depends on the kind of feelings which we are expressing. Do you think people are more open than in the past? ਆਪਾਂ ਕਹਿ ਸਕਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਇਹਦਾ may or may not be ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਆਨਸਰ ਆ ਸਕਦਾ ਹੈ। Do you think people are more open than in the past? Yes, of course, because these days people have a lot of mediums to communicate with one another. In the past, people used to confine in their four walls of their houses. They were unable to go outdoor because of the less transportation facilities available, and there were not any kind of mediums by which they can communicate with their nears and dears on regular basis. But nowadays they have a lot of mediums like social media, internet. They have their own mobile phone by which they can communicate with one another on regular basis. They can send the text messages, or they can make video and audio calls, by which I think they are more extrovert as compared to the past these days. Next question हैगा, why do you think people are less open? यही जड़ा आप जे आप no च आंसर कर दे। No, I don't think so, because people are introvert these days. In the past, people used to express their feelings in front of their relatives and their friends without having hesitation. But nowadays people think a lot. They do not have that much of trust on their relationships. Therefore, they like to confine their sorrows and happy moment to themselves only, because they think that if they disclose their secret to anybody else, at that time other person can harm them by having that kind of secret. Or if they share their sorrow moment with the other person, that person can make the laugh of that person, or can make the joke of that person, by which they will feel inferior in front of others. Or they do not like to share their happy moments even with their relatives or friends, because they know that other person are very jealous from them. As in these days jealousy has increased in among the relationships. Whenever other one grows, at that time people are angry on that person and people think bad thing about that person. Therefore they do not like to disclose their emotions and their feelings in front of the other person, because of having fear of being feel inferior or being harassed by the others. ਸੋ ਇਹ ਸੀਗੇ ਆਪਣੇ ਆਨਸਰਸ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਸੀਗਾ 3rd ਨੰਬਰ ਕਿਊ ਕਾਰਡ ਦੇ। ਜੇ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਇਹਦੇ ਤੋਂ ਬਿਨਾਂ ਵੀ ਕੋਈ ਹੋਰ ਕੁਐਸਚਨਸ ਪਤਾ ਆ ਇਹਦੇ ਬਾਰੇ, ਜਿਹੜਾ 3rd ਨੰਬਰ ਕਿਊ ਕਾਰਡ ਹੈ, ਤੁਸੀਂ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਕਮੈਂਟ ਬਾਕਸ ਦੱਸ ਸਕਦੇ ਆ। ਮੈਂ ਟਰਾਈ ਕਰੂੰਗੀ ਕਿ ਮੈਂ ਉਹਦੇ ਵੀ ਆਨਸਰਸ ਇਨਕਲੂਡ ਕਰ ਦੇਵਾਂ ਨੈਕਸਟ ਵੀਡੀਓ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ। ਤੇ ਜੇ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਮੇਰੀ ਅੱਜ ਦੀ ਵੀਡੀਓ ਵਧੀਆ ਲੱਗੀ ਤੇ ਇਹਨੂੰ ਲਾਈਕ ਕਰ ਦਿਓ, ਸ਼ੇਅਰ ਕਰ ਦਿਓ ਆਪਣੇ ਫਰੈਂਡਸ ਨਾਲ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਵੀ ਆਇਲਸ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਆ ਜਾਂ ਫਿਰ ਜਿਨ੍ਹਾਂ ਨੇ ਵੀ ਆਇਲਸ ਦਾ ਐਗਜ਼ਾਮ ਦੇਣਾ ਹੈ ਫਿਊਚਰ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ। ਨਾਲ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਮੇਰੇ ਚੈਨਲ ਨੂੰ ਸਬਸਕ੍ਰਾਈਬ ਕਰ ਦਿਓ, ਬੈਲ ਆਈਕਨ ਪ੍ਰੈਸ ਕਰ ਲਿਓ ਤਾਂ ਕਿ ਮੈਂ ਜਦੋਂ ਵੀ ਕੋਈ ਨਵੀਂ ਵੀਡੀਓ ਅਪਲੋਡ ਕਰਾਂ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਨੋਟੀਫਿਕੇਸ਼ਨ ਮਿਲ ਜੇ। ਥੈਂਕਸ ਫॉर गिविंग मी योर प्रीशियस टाइम गाइज एंड हैव अ नाइस डे।